Welcome back to the channel for practice problems for studying for actuarial exams. I'm the Actuarial Program Director at Illinois State University. If you want to find information about our program, go to smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to help our students, go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's the problem. The current stock price is 40 and the effective annual interest rate is 8%. The price of a 35-strike 1-year European call option is 9.12. The price of a 40-strike 1-year European call option is 6.22. The price of a 45-strike 1-year European call option is 4.08. Assuming that all call positions being compared are long, at what 1-year stock price range does the 45-strike call produce a higher profit than the 40-strike call, but a lower profit than the 35-strike call? Now notice that it's the word profit that is used, not payoff, so we have to take into account not just the payoff at expiration, but also any cost of money used in the transaction. Interest paid to us or interest that we have to pay to enter into the position. So we must include interest cost for all options. We have the 35-strike call has current cost of 9.12 and future cost at time 1 of that amount with interest, so 9.85. For 40-strike call, that's 6.22 now, but in a year it's 6.72. For 45-strike call, it's 4.08 now, but in a year with interest, that's 4.41. Let pi 35 be the profit for this 35-strike call, pi 40 for the 40-strike call, and pi 45 be the profit of the 45-strike call. We want to find the range of prices at time 1, S1, that results, the entire range results in the situation that pi 40 is less than pi 45, less than pi 35. So we will now consider ranges of value of S1 that produce different payoffs of the three options. Of course, the ranges are related to payoffs changing as options go into money or are out of the money. So if S1 is less than 35, the first of the strike prices that we have, then we have pi 35 is negative 9.85. And that's we're losing money because the option is out of the money and we're paying for it. That's less than pi 40, which is negative 6.72, and pi 45 is negative 4.41. None of the options has any positive payoff. We only count the costs, and of course they're negative. So the desired outcome, which is pi 40 less than pi 45 less than pi 35, doesn't happen in this case. Now then, between 35 and 40, the 35-strike option expires in the money, while the other two options expire out of the money, so that pi 40 is negative 6.72 and pi 45 is negative 4.41, and pi 35 is S1 minus 35, the payoff, minus 9.85, so it's S1 minus 44.85. This means that 35 minus 44.85 is less than S1 minus 44.85, which is pi 35, and less than 40 minus 44.85, because S1 is in this range between 35 and 40, or pi 35 is between negative 9.85 and negative 4.85. So we have pi 40 is negative 6.72, which is less than pi 45, which is negative 4.41, and pi 35 is between negative 9.85 and negative 4.85, and that's less than pi 45. And this means that while pi 40 is less than pi 45, we have pi 35 less than pi 45, not pi 35 greater than pi 45 as desired, so no, we don't get what we want in this range of prices either. Now the next case is if S1 is between 40 and 45. then the 35 strike and the 40 strike calls are in the money, while the 45 strike option is out of the money. So that pi 35 is S1 minus 44.85. So we adjusted for the cost of the option already. Pi 40 is S1 minus 40 minus 6.72. So S1 minus 46.72, and pi 45 is negative 4.41. We see that pi 40, which is S1 minus 46.72, is less than pi 45, which is negative 4.41, as desired, if and only if S1 is less than 46.72 minus 4.41, which is 42.31, while pi 35, which is S1 minus 44.85, is greater than pi 45, which is negative 4.41, as desired, if and only if S1 is greater than 44.85 minus 4.41, which is 40.44. So the three conditions, S1 between 40 and 45, S1 less than 42.31, and S1 greater than 40.44 in combination give us the range between 40.44 and 42.31 as the one where we obtain the desired result. So it's kind of nice, a miracle. We get what we want here. Now case 4 is when S1 is more than 45. All calls expire in the money, and we have pi 35 is S1 minus 44.85, pi 40 is S1 minus 46.72, and pi 45 is S1 minus 45 minus 4.41, so it's S1 less minus 49.41. This means that while pi 35 is more than pi 45, as needed, we also have the pi 40 greater than pi 45, not the other way around as desired. So no, we don't get what we want in this case. So the conclusion is that the desired outcome, pi 40 less than pi 45 less than pi 35, occurs in case 3 only, and specifically when S1 is between 40.44 and 42.31, which is answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material, and past problems from Society of Actuaries exams belong to the Society of Actuaries. They're reproduced with permission. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.